Welcome back. Today we've got some, I guess, kind of chores to do. We want to start the next line of the roof on the very far back corner. In order to do that, I've got to move these panels out of my way so that I can get the tractor back there with the post hole digger, because I got to dig 4 footings because there's an overhang that comes off the back there and I have to have support for it. So a lot of what we're doing today is just moving things around, and then hopefully we'll get to the point where we dig those footings. Well, that went pretty good. It was quick. We're gonna turn our attention to cleaning things up in the back so that we can get the tractor up here and get the post hole digger attachment on it. See if we can't dig down. Now, a couple of issues I've got here. Obviously, we gotta do a little bit of cleanup, but one of the issues that I've got is this area right here. When I cleaned it out with the excavator, there were some spots where there's more dirt. And there are some spots where you go down a little bit and you hit rock. And I'm not really sure what I'm gonna hit over here. So hopefully if it's rock, it's not all that hard.
Each hole needed to be 12 inches round and at least 24 inches deep. The depth didn't prove to be a problem, but the width of the hole did. I only have a 6-inch auger, so I tried to poke each hole twice and then clean it up with a handheld digger.
Wish I had that big bar.
Which bar, babe?
That heavy one that's down by the pond, like 5 foot. If I can get this to just break loose enough to come out of there. That's a big, you feel that vibration?
Yeah.
That's a chunk, big ass piece of quartz. It's a very large piece of quartz. And we are about 25 to 26 inches. That should be plenty. Finally, the house is actually starting to look like what the house is supposed to look like. And I need to find out what size beams we need to buy. Now that someday we're not going to be just building a house all the time. House is going to be done. We're going to be doing a lot of farm work, but there will be evenings like right now where we get to soak this in over a nice meal outside. This is why we're doing it. This is everything. Last one.
Having never done it before, I found out that getting the tubes set up is just as difficult as marking the positions. I used a laser to set the height and to set their position, and in the end, I bumped one of them and ended up with my J-bolt about an inch off center, but it's workable, so I'm pretty happy with it.
I'm afraid you're going to knock it off.
That's a real fear.
Need a bucket of water.
I'm right by you.
So what'd you say, 3 per bag?
3 per bag, that's what the bag says. There's a little bit of organic matter in there because it came from the pond.
Oh, I thought you were going to get it from the water.
You know what? I should have, but I didn't. I just scooped it right from the pond.
Oh, well, it's pond water, so there we go.
Well, I just thought you could avoid the organic matter, just kind of pick it out.
Let's see how that chops up. As anyone can see, if they look at my wheelbarrow, I need a new tire. But today's not the day for tire changing. So we're just going to go with it.
This might be the best use for wheelbarrow anyway.
And when I had it over there, it tipped forward.
Oh, did?
Yeah.
is it, like 3, 4?
3:30.
Do you want a beer?
Yes.
Okay. And your sandwich in here.
Fried chicken, my favorite.
Considering our level of prior experience, I was pretty pleased with the way things turned out. A little slower than I had hoped, but that's usually the case. We left at the end of the weekend feeling broken, needing some rest. Go home, get ready, come back, do it again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and share it with someone, and hit that subscribe button. Come back and check us out again at Breakheart Orchard.
Pick that up. That's your job.
You are not fast enough.
I am right now. Throw that bucket away.
Okay.
That bucket's worthless.
Okay.
God.
Well, you're Italian, so digging holes should be in your blood.
What's that? This should be in my blood. What, digging holes?
Yeah.
We usually do it at midnight, though, honey. It ain't like your people planting potatoes. They're planting fertilizer by moonlight.
Yeah, but your people do deeper holes.
Well, you ain't gotta worry about somebody finding your potatoes. What's that?
So this is a black widow spider,
Ah.
and I don't know if that's the male that she hates.
Oh. Black widow spider had a black widow spider for dinner.
Lovely.
That's something.
Oh, thank you.
That's a bad date. That's not good.
Did you already pee?
Yeah, and I'm on camera.
Okay.